Hi, we are Anna and Oumayma, students of the Vocational Training of Administration in Lacetània, and we had the opportunity to do an Erasmus in Prague, Czech Republic for a month. Our stay was at Lerova College, a residence for students from different countries. In the mornings, we always took the subway and went to the internship company. Ours was CITSA, an international aviation technology company. Our tasks were based on scanning, classifying, and archiving files of employees from different countries, for example, from the United Kingdom, Ireland, South Africa, and inserting them into the CITSA's private program. In the company, we haven't only learned to carry out tasks, we learned that there's no universal truth, that in each place they do it in a different way, and they are all correct. We have learned to adapt to another style of work and in a non-native talk that has helped us to improve our English skills. And of course, thanks to the emails we received and said in English, or the conversations we had with the company employees, has helped us for a lot. The city was very beautiful, and we spent every afternoon after working investigating every corner, learning to take the tram, and what we liked the most was undoubtedly the Charles Bridge, the Bridge of Lovers. We also enjoy its incredible cultural traditions, how are their manners, cultural shocks, and we have learned to know how to adapt to a new environment, and of course we enjoy the variety of gastronomy there. Prague at night was definitely one of our favorite things. The lights, the streets, everything was incredible, and we could never spend a single night without enjoying the city at night and having dinner at the Palladium Mall. This month has been a month of transition, of change, of evolution, and we have learned to let ourselves go, to see that nothing happens, that problems are solved, that with a good company we dare to new things, we want to experiment, discover other people, other friendships. Take your things and go to a place, leaving your home with the warmth of your parents and with everything resolved. It makes you realize that you can manage, you learn to be decisive, and we will definitely do it again. Thanks for watching the video and see you soon.